Having prepared and marked out your wall area, trowel apply a continuous fillet of Gyproc drywall adhesive to the perimeter of the wall, surfaces and openings for optimum airtightness. Commence boardings from an internal angle or door opening, applying adhesive to form dabs 50 mm to 75 mm wide and 250 mm long. These should be in 3 vertical lines. Ensure dabs adjacent to board joints are 25 mm in from the board edge. Finally, apply a continuous band of Gyproc drywall adhesive at skirting level. Position Gyproc Habito board with the reverse side of the board against the dabs of adhesive, with the bottom edge resting on plasterboard packers. Tap the board back firmly using a straight edge until it aligns with the chalk lines on the ceiling and floor. Gently lift the board using a foot lifter until the board lightly butts the ceiling. Apply dabs for the next Gyproc Habito board and repeat the process. Due to Gyproc Habito's dimensional stability, alignment of the board is easier than that of standard plasterboards.